Okay, whether it's a range bar, tick bar, volume bar, Renko, Heikin-Ashi, time-based charts, doesn't make any difference. There was the gap up into the Sunday U.S. Central Time Open. Overnight session, we sold off. Then this morning, right away out of the 8:30 open, pretty simple trade. This is a 233 tick chart on the NQ. Nice blast off move. We put in some oscillations here. I like this little M pattern we had here. Eyeing that. So if you're long and you see M pattern or rolling over, should be thinking about cashing out. We held, you can see we stayed long, then we had the flip right in this area price. And we were getting just slightly sequentially lower pivot highs, but that was the creme de la creme. Look at that beautiful M pattern right after a shift. If you didn't get in at the shift, you sure in heck should have got in here. I'm sorry, there was the shift right there. After the M was forming, you got another little M and rollover. Another beautiful, usually these prime trades that I teach in the training, great areas to attack in alignment with running trends, whether they're up trends or down trends. So some really good action right there this morning. And we've sold off after the run-up out of the U.S. Session Open. So anyhow, just wanted to show you that, you can use whatever you want for your charting. You can use tick charts, volume charts, range bar, second charts, minute charts. I know some people trading on 30-second charts. Heikin-Ashi, Renko, and adjustable Renko, and so on. Ninja Renko, Unirenko, this Renko, mean Renko, that Renko. So regardless of the platform you're on, whether you're on like MT4, MT5 with time-based charts, or some of the aftermarket Renkos, C-Trader, range bar, Renko bar, time-based charts, and so on, or Heikin. In the end, the iGrid is not codependent in any particular type of charting. And it's just fantastic. Once you dial in your time frame, get the time frame you like, and I have I have a video series on dialing in your time frame, then I have another video series on dialing in the Renko. That's over and above the training on what to do with the automated system. We have a ton of new training content hitting for the newer iGrid Evo version of the indicator when it comes to running automation. But I teach about price patterns. I teach about levels, key levels, how to track those, why. Those of you who do manual discretionary trading, and so on. But yeah, some fantastic stuff here. The iGrid Evo, the beauty of it, it has unique math, and then the two-dimensional smoothing. So when the market is making moves like this, especially out of the open, and then making calculations, the shift portion of the indicator, you optimize, can really help you stay out of, going up, long, going long, then selling, then going long. It'll show you, hey, stay short and work the rotations as we get, especially the rotations that get near the shift portion of the indicator, then rotate over. That's just, those are fantastic standalone quick scoping setups. And the nice thing, you can adjust all this, like the Heikin-Ashi portion that affects the shift portion, you don't even have to look at that. You can just turn that off. So we can go to transparent on that. Let's go transparent. I was running it transparent a lot. Now I find I just leave it on. There you go. So that helps us do the two-dimensional smoothing for the shift portion of the indicator. I don't really need to see that once I set it. I just want to use Heikin-Ashi, smooth Heikin-Ashi number 2, their unique math in it. And remember, we have all kinds of adjustability. We have 3 different types of moving averages for the Heikin-Ashi. We have a specific style of math that we interject into this shift portion of the indicator for looking for momentum shifts to the upside, the downside, to the upside, and so on. You can set the color, and this is across the board. The C Trader, T4, MT5, Ninja Trader 8, and now we have a trading view. You can adjust all of these items. We've made it uniform across the board. So I'm showing you NT8, but you can do the same thing on Trading View, MT4, MT5, C Trader. So you can turn that off, hit OK, and there you go. So then you can track for, rotations. Look at that little M as it interacted. Beautiful short setup. Interaction, rotation lower, beautiful setup. This right here I thought was wondrous today. I mean, look at that. Got continual, slightly sequentially lower pivot highs. And then this pivot was lower than that one, and you just put an M, and it was in conjunction with the momentum flip. The indicator for this particular time frame, many time frames, depending how you had it set. Like my Renko time frame, I had a short right in here too. So in the end, you can use whatever time frame you want. I love volume charts. Some guys love tick charts, time-based charts, and so on. We have guys trading on the 30-second chart on NASDAQ. We got guys like doing really well in gold. We got oil traders. We have guys trading stock listings that are now part of the CFDs available through your FX, various FX brokers. You got guys trading crypto and so on. So FX, crypto, futures. We've got it with the iGrid Evo indicator and the automated systems that we're running in C Trader, NT8, MT4, MT5. And I've got a fast track. Let's go take a quick look at the iGrid Evo on Trading View just real quick. So we got it running in Trading View. Again, you have a lot of options for candlestick styles or types. I've got it on Renko. You got Heikinashi, and you got time-based charts, range-based charts, Heikinashi. I mean, it's plenty of choices. So we don't care. The iGrid doesn't care what kind of time frame chart you're running it on. Look at that nice little M. When you look at all this activity we've had up here in recent days. All this activity we've had up here. Now we peeked our heads above that, and then we just did a little M pattern on more of a bigger, higher time frame structural look of things. So we had the gap up into Sunday night, into the EU markets, sell off. They pumped it out of the open. They ran it right up to that area again, and they sold it. Could we be getting ready to come down and break through this recent area? If we do, got a pretty nice run down before we get to our next areas of support that are much lower. So market's been stuck in this range for a while. It'd be nice to see it get the heck out of there, give us some expanded daily price ranges. So anyhow, iGrid Evo, guys are loving it, gals are loving it. We got PAM fund managers on it, a few boutique hedge fund guys on it, setting up some people that are setting up their own super PAMs. We know how to do all that stuff. We got connections. What brokers do you use if you want to set up your own PAM fund? We know how to set up the infrastructure because we trade institutional in-house. That's our main thing. So iGrid indicator, unique math, two-dimensional smoothing. Doesn't make any difference what time frame you're on. We can help you get dialed in any time frame on any instrument. And we got all kinds of badass stuff on deck. So if you have any questions, let me give you the email. I know I was working that short side action today. So not bad. Not bad. So anyhow, I thought today was a pretty easy day. The pump right out of the open, that was a freebie. That was a layup. Then the rotations with the sequential lower pivot highs, and then the M pattern final rollover, and pretty much any intraday chart you were on time frame, you got the short signal, and it's been all down since. And wow, we just had a nice move. I only got a couple of runners on just in case this thing fukes it up and comes down to this next area. Kind of had a feeling with that big structural M we could get a bit of a cashing out if we failed to go higher, and so far that seems to be playing out. But anyhow, if you have any questions, info@gridalgo.com. We have a very extensive private Discord. So I'm playing catch up, just put up some new training for the group today in the main room. We got main rooms, and we got NT8 rooms, and we got optimization rooms, and we've got price action training rooms, and we've got, what the concept, what is grid trading? Trading in alignment with momentum, the opposite of martingale. Trading view rooms, trading view main rooms, and so on and so on. MT4, MT5. Matter of fact, I'm about to add a trading view optimization. Oh, one thing I was going to say, we're going to take the trading view indicator and turn that into a strat here right away. Super high priority item on fast track. I got some good ideas of features adds from the group since I launched the trading view version a little over a week ago. Going to turn it into a strat so guys can take it, trade the flips, which are set up as alerts like we have currently, and then our add points for adding into price that's running in our intended direction. So if you go back and watch more videos at the Grid Algo YouTube channel, I'm big time on directional grid trading, pyramiding into positions that are maintaining some benchmark level of a maintenance of momentum, either to the upside or downside. You can see some of that was going on. System was selling, taking out, selling, taking out, selling, taking out on the way down. And it stopped when it hit a certain price level after putting on core trades up above. So anyhow, there you have it. info@gridalgo.com. Got tons of new training content that I'm adding today, tomorrow, and the next day. It was a busy trip last week I was on. Then we had Easter weekend. Family pulled me in 3 different directions, wanting to do all kinds of stuff. Got that out of the way, and I said this week, I'm going to be locked up in a shack in the middle of the woods. Only Sasquatch and me out there. And I'm going to be making training till I don't ever want to turn on the recorder again, and I need a break. So lots of new training, and I'm fast tracking the TradeView version, getting it taken from an indicator to a strat with some of the features. We got the iGrid Evo brand new EAs on deck for MT4, MT5. That's the second version EA for the MT4, MT5 program. And we have the iGrid Evo CBOT on deck for CTrader, the second CBOT in the iGrid grouping of fully automated systems. And we've got the iGrid Evo Auto running on NT8. And I'm getting ready to do a bunch of feature adds to that from great feedback from a fantastic group we have in my private grid trading and prop trading focused Discord room. So as usual, I talked twice as long as I should have, but wanted to give you all the goodies, all the info. If you still want to sneak in on the one-time buys, I think I'm going to go finally approve the website changes tonight. I'm about a week late on that, so that the move to only quarterly subscription will kick off, or the price goes up. So I'll still honor one-time buys today into tomorrow, and then I gotta finally shift it over. So there you guys have it. If you have any questions, just let me know. info@gridalgo.com. Talk to y'all later, and you guys have a fantastic trade day.